Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that over 70% of investors fail to track their portfolio effectively? Let's change that today. In this video, you'll learn how to analyze your investment portfolio using Google Sheets, making the process simple and efficient. So, let's dive into the problem. Many investors struggle with keeping their portfolios organized and understanding their performance. I mean, we all want to make smart investment decisions, right? But when your data is all over the place, it can lead to confusion and poor choices. That's why it's crucial to have a systematic way of tracking your investments. If you're not actively managing your portfolio, you might be missing out on potential gains or not realizing losses that could impact your financial goals. Now, let's explore how we can tackle this challenge together. We'll walk through the step-by-step process of setting up a Google Sheet to track your investments. First off, we'll start with how to input your data. You'll want to include details like the stock name, purchase date, quantity, and price per share. Once that's set up, we'll move on to calculating your returns. This is where it gets interesting. By using complex formulas which I have already created for you, you can see how much your investments have grown or shrunk over 1 week, 30 days, 90 days, 6 months, 9 months, and 1 year as compared to Nifty 50. But we're not stopping there. Visualizing your performance with charts will make it even easier to understand how well your portfolio is doing. Trust me, it's super satisfying to see that graph move upwards. And here comes the key moment. You'll realize just how hard it is to create a dynamic portfolio tracker. But don't worry, I got this for you. This tool updates automatically as you enter new data, which means no more manual calculations or headaches. It's all about efficiency and clarity. Imagine being able to see your gains, losses, and overall performance with just a glance. All you have to do is click on the description of this video and subscribe to your own automated Google Sheet portfolio tracker. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and check out my other videos for more tips on managing your investments. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!